Good morning student. Today we discussed about object properties of standard 12 subject computer. Encapsulation. In object oriented programming, data and the method that manipulate data are guarded against modification or misuse by other components of the program. This mechanism of providing protection to data and methods of a program is called encapsulation. For any computer program, two core elements are data and function. In structure programming views these two core elements as two operators entities, whereas object-oriented programming views these as object entities. In protected programming, data can be stored by any components of the program. It is not protected from modification. In object-oriented programming, this problem can be solved using encapsulation. Encapsulation provides a protection of data and misuse by other components of the program. This mechanism provided by encapsulation. Encapsulation provides data hiding capacity. Data abstraction. Data abstraction is a process of representing features of the object without including implementation details. Abstraction is a concept that hides complexity. It says what is thus but not how it is done. It is here we get some example for television. We start our television, power on, power off, mute, volume high, volume low. All are done by press a single button, but we don't know how it is done. Just like abstraction provide a facility that says what is done but not says how it is done. The data abstraction, that is a technique that relies on the sequence of interface and implementation. It is not a new concept in programming. Abstract data type, structures, C, C++, Java class, all are the example of data abstraction. Messaging. In object-oriented terminology, a call to a method is referred to a message. Due to encapsulation, all methods call are handled by objects that recognize the method. Different classes may have same method with same name. Polymorphism. Polymorphism means many forms. They may be form of single method or operator. Polymorphism means many forms. There are two types of polymorphism or overloading, that is function overloading and operator overloading. Object oriented allows defining more than one method having same name but different signature in a single class. That feature is known as function or method overloading. Some operation is given meanings developing up to the data type of operator operands used. This type of polymorphism is achieved by operator overloading.